There are many integrated apps and softwares to use with QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Pro, QuickBooks Premiere, and QuickBooks Enterprise. What do you need to understand before integrating and actively using your QuickBooks product? First and foremost, you need to understand your chart of accounts and make sure it is correctly set up. As we cover in our chart of accounts videos, this is the foundation of everything in your QuickBooks product, and if this foundation is not understood and set up from the start, then it can easily fall apart. The reason I say this is all integrated apps and softwares have to be mapped to your QuickBooks product. Depending on the app or software, you may need to map to features such as items in your QuickBooks product, or you may need to map directly to the chart of accounts. Once you understand the chart of accounts and have correctly set up your QuickBooks product, then you will easily be able to map the transactions to integrate and begin using.